Let's start masturbating.
Let's go.
Alright, so first topic. College is too expensive. Yes.
Yeah, no.
Why?
Perfect.
Yes.
You know.
Perfect price.
No, but education should be free.
No, because for the circus.
Snickers, they already provide scholarship
You
programs.
have to pay
Yeah, but-
for it. How about the teachers that are fucking
Where's
there,
the
bro?
where's the
Freddy Fazbear's required.
where's the webcam, bro?
The webcam there.
It is.
The webcam there.
Look, we're under the water.
Okay, college is too expensive.
Under
Yes.
the
Yes,
water in here.
because
Baby, you're under the water.
Maybe circus.
Next topic.
next topic.
Next topic.
No.
Should be banned.
No.
Yes.
No. No.
But it should be restricted.
Yeah,
Yes.
restricted, not banned.
restricted, not banned.
But
Why? It's not even good.
because if it's banned,
If it's banned,
then
we're not against the president.
we're not gonna be able to.
Other people, some other people will
Then
resort to like
Just
worse
go
than it.
Vape is worse than smoking.
Vapes are still smoking, so just
Vape is better than smoking.
They will,
Vape- vape- hold on,
They
vape
will,
is-
if smoking
It's flavored air.
if smoking gets banned, they will go to much more deadlier
Alternative.
alternatives.
like Zins.
Like
Vape-
methamphetamine.
Vape is pure chemicals. At least smoking is organic.
Yeah,
So
Alright, next one.
at least it's tobacco.
organic's better.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
Unless you're,
Depends.
unless you're
Depends.
racist.
Depends on who's the president.
Next topic.
Because
Yes,
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
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 no, because
Yes.
they'll be scared.
Why?
No.
Why no?
if they die,
It's already implemented.
Why no?
In the Philippines.
why should a person be subjected to death?
Because they're dead.
Justice.
Crime, not for justice.
If they kill
You know what?
someone,
You reduce crime by 70%
For another
because of death. So yes.
if they kill alive, we kill them.
An eye for an
Child
eye.
Next one.
Dead.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come on. Yeah.
I think Ben would disagree.
Nah.
Don't ban religion classes.
Yes.
No.
No,
I want to learn about more
Yes,
about.
they didn't specify what religion.
They should be separated.
Any religion.
No, what would happen to Soksai?
There should.
No, that's set about history.
Yeah.
Religion is part of history.
They should be allowed to hit children.
Yeah, they should.
Discipline.
Yes, they should be allowed. They should be allowed. Huh?
I don't know.
It depends about
Like,
Yeah.
what kind of dance.
like you know the ballet.
Yeah, that's a
dance
sport.
is a sport because
That's a
you have
sport.
to like you have to put your foot
considered a
that's
dance.
really hard.
Performative dancing.
Alright, this one.
Yeah.
Performative.
Yes.
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 Yes. The baby, yeah, the baby
Wait, no.
cannot
Yes.
consent.
No. Yes.
What?
I don't know. Yes.
No.
Bakit no?
Because if they patient at like they're already like 12 years old, they will feel the pain. But if they were a baby, they wouldn't.
Oh, but they don't have
choose it.
consent.
Yeah.
They
Babies already
don't
have a nervous
choose
system.
to get
No,
married.
making
Babies already have a nervous system.
making the piercing would lessen the verdict if they would want it.
Yeah, but what if they
Does the
don't?
toddler
No, it will
want
just
it?
get removed. The piercing will just get removed.
Now they have a hole in their
Yeah.
ears.
Just in case. Just in case.
Alright, next one.
Next one.
No, when there's
So we just get
Depending on the circumstances.
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me connect.
The military uses them.
No.
We should use them because if we
should.
don't,
humans are
we
superior.
won't get cure for
No,
coronavirus.
no, they should be.
Fuck them animals.
Fuck the animals.
We can do whatever we want to animals.
We are animals. Fuck them.
No, because
We're mammals.
Smoking should be
Nah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Why would it? Yeah. Why would it not? No.
No.
Lunch.
No, our ancestors never ate breakfast.
If you don't
I don't know.
you can't start your day.
Our ancestors never ate breakfast.
No,
Lunch is the most.
I don't eat
Actual
breakfast.
important.
Breakfast.
Lunch is the actual important one.
Yeah.
Dinner supports the day.
No.
Yes.
They're not even scared.
Bro.
Why?
Anyone?
No.
Yes.
No!
Yes.
No.
No!
Why should you subject a person to eternal? I mean, like
Imagine they have
I'm killing a person.
a long time of torture.
Imagine they have
Because
bombs.
they did something
If
bad.
they did something bad, an eye for an eye.
Waterboard that.
Water droplet.
Yeah.
Who
Yeah.
waterboard?
Yeah.
If you know you're gonna die, you should.
No.
Yes. That's what I heard.
Imagine your teacher wearing a hijab carrying a black bag. Are you?
No, imagine a teacher. Bro, remember last time what happened in Marawi? MCU?
Yes.
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 No, bro. Let me pirate Minecraft.
Let me pirate Minecraft, bro.
Yes, it isn't really a crime.
What?
Oh.
No.
Wait,
We're not Singapore.
Singapore banned chewing gum.
Why?
Because of Filipinos.
Oh, yeah.
I went there.
Wrong.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Why was the last one the Earth is flat and that one might actually? No.
Wait, yes.
Yes. Actually,
yes.
yeah.
No.
Yeah.
They objectify
Yes.
They objectify women.
How about male pageants, huh?
The objective.
That isn't objectifying. It's just showing art. It's just showing art.
No, it's not. It's we are identifying women. Yes.
No, the genetically modified food is safe because the genetically modified food
Bro,
is safe.
why would scientists feed us something fun, bro? Bad.
Yeah.
Banana.
Next.
A beauty pageant is to
Nah.
Yes.
Depends.
and it is not the best.
Yes.
We're basically
Yes.
objectifying
Yes.
individual
Yes.
things, but they don't. It is
Yes.
Yeah.
That's an audition.
Only Jada disagrees.
It's fine.
Only Jada disagrees. It's
If
fine.
you're
It's fine.
tall, if you're little, you can't move around that fast.
Oh, he's going for the
You gotta pick up rocks faster, bro. You gotta pick up rocks faster.
He's going for.
Hey guys,
Yeah. Oh, wait. Darwin or Lamarck?
No, I just said that because it's a word.
Darwin or Lamarck?
what kind of theory
It's true! It's true!
Sir, look at this guy. He hasn't evolved yet. Yeah.
What?
Yes.
What?
No, it's not, bro. It's not. Bro. They'll always call you a racist, but never a liar.
That hurt.
Oh, yo, my bad, bro.
Next one.
No.
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 Yes.
No.
It's better
Yeah.
to know how to talk than to know what to fucking write, bro.
Yeah.
Boy, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Huh?
Sleepiness, bro.
No, just kidding.
Okay.
Yes.
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 I mean,
Both.
Why would you teach you at home?
dude, imagine your parents teaching you how to observe.
You're done.
Exactly
No.
why? No.
Summer's a bit.
Ah, winter.
Winter.
No.
Nah.
No.
No.
Depends on the age.
Yeah, depends on the age.
depends on
If they're like
the age.
13 below, they should not be allowed to go after 12.
No, that's set by the parents.
No.
No.
Like 30.
13 to
Nah. Five.
Everyone should have a mobile phone.
Everyone should have give it a top.
Yeah, they answered that. I answered that already.
Nah, I want to wear my own.
I'm gonna wear a breath, bro.
Yeah.
It's easy.
It's on the
No.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
easier to
Yes.
Yes.
It's legal only in private places.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Jollibee.
Everything exists.
I already answered that.
Yes.
Grab it on side.
Our school lunches are good.
School
Our school are good.
They're treating dried cheese that breeds, bro.
Sure.
No.
Yeah, we're already
It's
working
their
for our
responsibility.
allowance.
We're getting
It's their responsibility.
Yeah.
Some,
I'm gonna kill you.
No.
Yes, it could.
no, bro.
Yes.
No.
Like,
Automatically, let's go.
It's for
So
war.
like, imagine a switch. It kills more people
Who
than
doesn't
car
want a machine
crashes.
gun?
Man, shut the fuck
I want
up.
the machine.
Shut up!
Everyone witches are banned and they still
Shut your fucking mouth! Shut your fucking mouth!
Cats are better pets than dogs.
No! No!
Yes.
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 Yes!
No.
Meow.
Dogs are louder. Cats are silent.
helpful.
Meow.
Yes.
Dogs are easier to
Cats
train.
are more helpful.
And they can use it on the pillow.
Better, yes.
Cats are the reason. Cats are the
I can
reason
use it with the
agriculture is
pillow.
maintained.
Yeah, and dogs are the reason your neighbor wakes up at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
Skip. Skip. Skip.
Another one. Oh,
Oh, we're yeah.
Uh,